Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Facebook Business Manager and learning how to unlock explosive growth for your business. So, buckle up and let's get started. First up, we're talking about Facebook Business Manager. A lot of folks ask me how I manage my clients' ads, and I always recommend using Facebook Business Manager. It's an incredibly powerful tool that can completely transform your business. Now, let's talk about how to use Business Manager effectively. First and foremost, it's essential to create a separate profile for your business. This way, you can easily onboard clients and give them access to specific roles within the system. Trust me on this one, it'll save you so much time in the long run. Once you've set everything up, it's time to establish clear guidelines for your clients. For instance, you might want them to use a single ad account and specific ad sets that you've already created for them. By doing this, you can ensure that their results are completely separate from yours. And remember, once they start seeing positive results from their ad campaigns, they may be more willing to invest more money into scaling their campaigns with you. As the agency owner or manager, your role is critical in maintaining positive performance for all your clients while scaling their campaigns simultaneously. This is where the magic happens. So there you have it, folks, the secret to explosive growth for your business using Facebook Business Manager. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Until next time.